Hello friends, my name is Amit Shukla and I'm very excited to demo my latest community project LG Watch Out. It's an AI-powered live alert LG webOS app which reads, understands with advanced AI reasoning capabilities and watch out for you. Watching TV is an experience whether you are alone or with your family, you want to do it with 100% free mind without worrying about anything else. Now this LG Watch Out app, it exactly does the same thing. While you are watching LG, it watches out for you. Let me explain what that means. This AI is capable of using AI to infer and read images and all sort of information and interpret information. And once it receives the information, it interprets, it tag it as information as critical alert or something you need to be aware of while you are watching TV. So for example, when your people in the house are watching TV, they don't need to worry about watching all the alert notification, they're watching their cameras, all sort of things happening around their houses. So for example, in your house, if you have a device which detects smoke, earthquake, siren, break-ins, camera, moisture, water leaks, sprinkler, etc., etc. Not only within you, around your house, suppose something is happening in your community. Now within your community, imagine that your local neighbor is willing to share their camera information, or you have a camera information which is watching the street. So in that case, if you know that what's happening in your community, a car is circling around which doesn't belong to that neighborhood, or something is some other break-in is happening in your community, you'll be the first to know. So that's the whole idea of this application. As you can see, this app is built entirely in Flutter. It uses Firebase as the backend, and it also uses AI of your choice. In this application, I'm using Gemini, but you can also use your own API keys, so for example, Anthropic or whatever it takes. So I've also included a link to the demo. Let's jump onto the demo. So as you can see, this is a web-based interface here. Let me make it a little bit bigger so that you can see. On the left-hand side, you will see all the navigation out there. So first thing you will see, it starts with the prompt. But before the prompt, it asks you to log in. So first let me log out, and I have included a demo user ID and password just for your own convenience. As you enter your login email ID and password, that you will see there is a live alert validation already built in. I've also included social authentication like Google or maybe Facebook, but right now in the demo application, I have disabled it. All right, so let me just sign in. Also, you will see this is a multilingual app. So for example, if you speak Spanish or any other language, you will be able to choose the language of your preferred. Now, once you log in, you will be able to update your settings. As you can see, there are two different settings, two different type of account you can create. Either you can be an individual family, or you can also sign in as a community. So the advantage of using this application as a community, so for example, you are somebody who is a community provider or work as the local community in charge, you can use this application as well. So first thing you will see, there's a prompt included. By default, it opens up the world to you. So for example, you can query anything. So basically what it's doing is querying the LLM of your choice. By default, I have included Google Gemini, but you can also configure this to use your Anthropic or OpenAI, ChatGPT, whatever it takes. So this is very convenient. For example, you want to know that, hey, what kind of comedy show should I watch? So you can also always put the question and ask Gemini. So as you can see, you also store your local chat history, but again, just for the demo purpose, I have intentionally disabled it. All right, by default, all this chat history will be deleted after 7 days. There's another setting on this application called dark mode. So once you click on that, it changes the brightness of the whole application. Let me toggle it back. Next setting is the location setting. So once you set up your location, what happens, like you are going to receive all the community alerts happening within 2 miles of your location. Now let's go back to the alert section. Now this is the main happening area. These are your personal alerts. So that means these are your local alerts. So all the devices within your house. So for example, there are some temperature or moisture or indoor weather or outdoor weather or smoke alarm. So you can hook up all your devices, local devices into this. And in case if you're wondering where the devices are set up, I'm going to show you that in a minute. So any devices. So for example, it could be a simple car. Car is not actually a device, but you can register your call. So for example, make and type of the car, and you can store all this information. And later on, this information will be used in the comparison. So I'll show you that in a minute. So for example, this is the home vitals statistics of your particular house, and you can take this information and ask Gemini. And similarly, suppose you have a local community camera. This is the picture of a football field. Obviously, you don't want to be in this situation. You can take this picture, this camera picture, and ask your Gemini AI, hey, this is something I need to be worried about, or my mailman is here, or there's somebody is working on my boundary wall or is about to jump into that wall. So this is the whole idea of this application, that you can use your cameras or all the devices application, you can use the advanced AI reasoning capability and infer the information, and once you infer this information you can issue alerts to yourself. So when you are watching TV, the whole thing is you don't need to watch your phone, you don't need to watch all the different sort of alert devices and then take action. The whole idea of using LG Watch Out like application on your LG devices so that you can enjoy your family time. And that's what I wanted to achieve in this application. When you're watching LG, let LG watch out for you. And it's not only about you using your own AI as your personal alert system, it's also watching about your entire community. Once you configure LG Watch Out application for yourself, your devices, your house, your cameras, you can also have your neighbor and local communities join this mission. And once your local community, your local neighbor, your next door neighbor, everybody started sharing the goodies and all these alert systems, they join the mission, and you can create a safe, enjoyable community which cares for everybody else. That's all I wanted to share in this video today. I hope you like this video. I hope you like this community project. I'm still going to continue to developing this project. And if you have any issues, please feel free to raise an issue log into my GitHub repository and I'll be happy to help you out. Thank you for watching this video. And I hope you like this video. Thank you very much.